this year when I bought my 2017 Dodge ProMaster. It came without this door panel, and after going around with the seller for a few months, I decided that he wasn't going to be sending me one like he said he was going to. So I got on Amazon and I found one. It was $127, and I'm going to install that for you today, and we're going to see how easy that is. I have a couple of connectors here that are going to need to come out first, and then I'm going to give it a wipe down, and we're going to install that new trim piece on the slider door. Well, it took me nearly half an hour to get this plug out of there, and what I ended up doing was simply destroying the top of it and pushing it inside of the door because it was not coming out. And I guess you probably have to have a tool for some of them. But here is the unboxing of the new panel. It came in a really nice sturdy box. Good. Okay, so let's get this opened up. And so these look familiar. Those are the things that I saw, and there's the little rubber gasket. Okay, now this has a way of going on. You see how this comes and it goes back at an angle like that? The end of this one, of this panel, has one like that will fit in there. All I have to do here is just line up these buttons and press it into place, and that seems pretty straightforward. The holes don't perfectly line up, but I think that that's going to be okay. It'll probably work to the advantage. I'll start here at this one end. It's pretty positive. I can feel it go in. See that? That doesn't line up with it, but if I come back here, I can line these up, and then I think I can move it down. Let me see if that works. Yep, feels positive. Even though it's not clicking, you can feel it's a positive going in. There. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today to watch me do this little repair on my 2017 ProMaster.